Gold and silver stayed bullish for the day, as we have discussed earlier in our Asia and Europe session update, that you can buy gold at around 2164.65 and expect it to hit 2170.71.5, the first target zone. Both achieved. Now, at the same time, silver is finding a little tough to break past by 2450 levels. So, what to expect now from the US session and specifically with the NFP data? Can we expect more rally ahead, or a possible retracement can be expected? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Those new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon to get twice a day updates. Do like, share, and comment. Do subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's start. First, we look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. You can also join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and do join the channel membership here and support the effort. Now look at the hourly charts. You can find out, see, first gold took a support here, then support here, and then this breakout. So yes, 20 period moving average proving out to be a very good support. Now if you look at the hourly chart, see, couple of retracement candles and it is rising, and it can continue to rise. Just we need to wait for it to break beyond 2171, and beyond this it may try to look forward to, see, this is the top of the channel here, 2177.78 as the first target, and then if it stays beyond this, we will look forward to 2184.85 as the next targets. Very clear, buy at 2171.5. Next is also one should look at, see, it has consolidated here in the zone, then this breakout, now again trying to consolidate. Yes, if it breaks below 2164.65, remember this was the buying entry, and now this is going to be the selling entry. How far? The support levels at 2154.55. Very good. And if it breaks below 2154.55, then only we can say that there is slight bearishness for the day. I will look forward to 2150.48, the next target zone, and only bearishness is below 2148 levels. Remember this fact. A stochastic overbought, MACD has crossed over. It is trying to trade with little divergence and bullishness. RSI is near to overbought levels. Similar observation here on the 2-hour charts as well. See, this bullish channel in which it is trading, the top of the channel is 2177.78, and you can find out the support here at 2160.58 zone. Very good support. You should notice this double bottom levels are seen here in between 2156.58, and also the 20 period moving average sitting over here, making it a very good support zone. The stochastic overbought, MACD is bearish, RSI is overbought. Coming to 3-hour charts, likewise on the 3-hour charts, one must notice that, see, it is staying bullish, but the body size is diminishing. Also, it is finding a good resistance here at 2170 levels. So a possible reversal can be expected, but right now it is not showing any such symptoms of reversal. Now also one must notice, where is the reversal confirmation? Yes, 2158, 2156 is the zone below which you can expect the reversal confirmation, then 2150 and 48. If these two levels are taken, then only we can treat this as bearish, else gold is not yet bearish. So remember, 2148.50 zone today is the confirmation of reversal. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish, RSI is overbought here. Coming to the day 4-hour, on the 4-hour charts, see, earlier in the day I have mentioned one thing. Beautifully it is delivered the same candle, first bullish candle after the breakout. Remember, first bullish candle after the breakout, it can continue to deliver second bullish candle as well. And that is why I say, once you see gold staying above 2171.5, you can buy here for 2177.78 and then 2184.85. Possibility is there. And then on the downside, reversal confirmation is only and only if this zone, that is 58.56 and then 48.50, is broken. Also, one must notice on the 4-hour chart, it is consistently delivering higher highs, higher lows. Thus, this zone here at 2156.58 is going to remain critical, as this is also a channel breakout zone. If you look at the stochastic, this is overbought. MACD, now look at MACD again. As I said, see, the MACD has seen the peak here and it is looking forward to reverse. It is trading with slight divergence, but the candle sizes have flattened, and hence still I will say that you need to be cautious. Do not confirm this as bearish as of now. RSI overbought. Coming to daily. Before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 30th mentorship batch starting first week of April. Register yourself now, enroll yourself now. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. In this batch, we will be teaching you the key concepts, trading strategies, and trade setups in order to trade profitably. Reach out to me, and those who want to just trade as per the signals, you can email or telegram me for details. The next is those who ask me to recommend a broker which is safe, secure, globally regulated, and also offers a step-free account with lowest spreads. You can find the recommendation link here in the channel and video description. The link, you will get additional benefits. Now look at the daily chart. The candle is simple. It is staying bullish. It is looking upwards. It has achieved higher highs. And if you just connect the dots, it appears further highs can be expected. See, right now, if you look at the good tail is formed and it is trading in green. But look at the preceding candles. Yes, these were greener candles, but the bullishness has got diminished. This was increasing. This is diminished, and this could be a reversal candle. Thus, still, I will not confirm gold as bullish as long as first 2171.5 and then 2175 is also a good resistance, but I will look forward to 78 rather. But and beyond 2178 we will be looking 2184.85. I will be focusing on 2178.75 zone specifically. A possible reversal from those levels can be expected. Be careful, it can show you swings. And on the downside, a selling entry right now, yes, can be taken at 2164, but I will be watchful of 2160 and specifically 2156.58. Yes, if it breaks beyond 2156, that is the time you can say now it is turning bearish, and we can look forward to 2148.50, the next target. Below 2148 and 50 is the reversal confirmation. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. Now see, silver for the day has seen the highs and it is just consolidating here. On the downside anyway, support level, see why it is rising. I have told you earlier in the day as well. Look at the formation is silver, rise retracement, taking the support from the 20 period. It is rising again. Where are the support levels? 2440. Where are the highs? 2480. Now I will wait for it to break beyond 2460. Beyond that, the target is going to be 2480 levels, the next target zone. On the downside, yes, a selling entry is below 2440, but then also we have to wait for it to break below 2430 in order to confirm the bearishness towards 2410 and $24 levels. As in how it breaks the resistances 2420 levels specifically, we can say that now the bears will be heavy in silver. Right now it is not showing any such signs. Stochastic overbought, MACD is in green, RSI is rising. On the 2-hour charts as well, similar observation, see this, and it is still looking upwards. The preceding candle and the current candle as the zone of consolidation. A breakout beyond 2460 certainly is a sign that we are looking forward to 2480, and then beyond 2480 the target is towards 2510, 2520 zone. The stochastic overbought, MACD almost running flat here. RSI is also flat near to top. Coming to 3-hour, on the 3-hour chart, see moving averages trading with divergence and bullishness. Look what is happening here. Look at the movement here. And yes, higher lows are anyways there. Higher highs means 2470, 2480 zone. And then on the downside, you must look at, this is the support zone here. It is given a breakout. I will wait for it to break below 2440, 30 zone in order to stay bearish here. Stochastic rising here. The MACD is almost flat and RSI is also overbought. Coming to 4-hour charts. Look at 4-hour charts. See, one bullish candle, couple of retracement, second bullish candle, step candle, and from here the bullishness may increase. Be watchful. From here the bullishness may increase. As of now, it is seen taking support here from 2430. Thus, only below 2430 the bears will be seen. Stochastic rising, MACD. Now see, MACD has seen a good elevated level, but it is yet to approach further highs. Yes, it can continue with further highs here on silver. If you look at the RSI, this is again back to overbought zone. Coming to daily, look at daily charts, moving averages trading with divergence and bullishness. Bottom is formed here. Higher lows are seen, higher highs. At least we can look forward to 2460-80 zone. Possibility is there as higher lows are formed. And remember one more thing, because the preceding candle is a kind of a step candle and we can see similar size of move. Now similar size of move, just count the points here or pips here. 2370 to 2420, almost 50 pips of body size, and if you count 50 pips from 2440, it is almost making towards $25 level. So 25.20 is also possible, but only buying entry now I will recommend is about 2460 levels. Just be cautious in between 2460 and 80. As it breaks beyond 2480, just stay bullish beyond 2480. Close your eyes, stay bullish. We are looking forward to 2510 plus levels. On the downside, a selling entry at 2440 can be taken, but this is going to be slightly riskier because 2430 is the support which I will be looking forward for it to break. 2430, 2420 is a very extremely good support zone. Below 2420 is where we will look forward to the bearishness, and then we can look forward to $24 levels and extremely good support. Below 24, it should be treated for a reversal. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do join the mentorship batch and the signals channel. Do watch the next update, that is a weekly review tomorrow. Do not miss this. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day and a happy weekend.